start. You may proceed.
Calling the matter of Jacob Gedlehlekisa Zuma vs. Cyril Ramaphosa, case number 2022-059772.
As the court pleases, my lord, I appear for the private prosecutor, together with my learned friend, Ms. Palmer Siuno.
As it is the court, my lord, Kumzile Sokela, appearing on a watching brief for Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa.
Thank you.
Thank you. My lord, with your lordship's permission and something that was graciously reminded by my learned friend for the accused, I would like to announce that one of the members of my team in this matter, Advocate Matodzi Mabungu, Mavhungu, passed away in a car accident on Sunday, and a young advocate of a few years, and with your lordship's permission would, and at the suggestion of my learned friend, want to observe a moment of silence.
I have no problem to do that. I think it's prudent to do that. If we may all stand then for a moment of silence.
That's good. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, thank you, my lord. It's always sad to lose a member of the profession at such a tender age.
Sure.
My lord, coming back to this matter, I need just to address your lordship just for a few minutes. Your lordship might know that this matter has been going on for some time, and the reason for that is the fact that there are parallel processes which are taking place in relation to the review which was brought by the accused person. In short, my lord, the accused first brought an interim application for an interim relief, which was granted, and then after that brought Part B, which was the review. That has been under appeal for a period of time. However, my lord, what happened is that in May of this year, the SCA reconsideration application was dismissed. Unfortunately, and as my attorney put it, the matter fell through the cracks, but there was certainly, as it is indicated in the document that I handed out, my lord, there were certainly instructions from the private prosecutor to institute a further appeal in the Constitutional Court. That process obviously will then have to take place together with the necessary condonation applications and so on. My lord, in terms of, I'll take the two-page report as read, my lord, and that report was in compliance with the court order that was granted on the 11th of April by your brother, Mr. Justice Manoy. And that order is the usual order that gets given by consent in this matter. And number 2 of the order, my lord, number 1 says the proceedings are hereby postponed to the date, and then the private prosecutor shall at that stage, which is today, appraise the court regarding any developments in this matter. And that is therefore our duty to appraise the court. My lord, after discussions with my learned friend and also discussions in chambers, the proposal is that once again we ask for a long postponement. Normally, as you know, from April up to now, it was deliberately long to allow those processes to unfold. And we would therefore, my lord, ask for an order in terms of Section 168 of the Criminal Procedure Act for a further postponement. And this time, given the timelines, the likely timelines in the processes that are envisaged, we would the date that has been agreed, my lord, is the 6th of February 2025, and we're hoping that by then there'll be some finality one way or the other as to whether the prosecution is proceeding or whether it would have reached the final stage in the Constitutional Court. As court pleases.
Thank you. Advocate Sokela, do you confirm this date of the 6th of February 2025?
I confirm that date, my lord.
All right. Can we then assume that it will be also in the prayer that the private prosecutor shall at this stage apprise the court regarding the developments in this matter as well?
As the court pleases, my lord. Right. And maybe just one little detail which I left out. Your Lordship might be wondering what kind of criminal matter where there's no accused. That was dealt with in the interim order, and the accused was excused, as it were, from appearance.
Correct.
But my learned friend comes as on
it was in the order of Judge Ishmael Modiba, and in the previous case, I see he was excused.
Yes, my lord.
Correct.
That's correct. As the court pleases, my lord.
Thank you. Do you have a draft order in this regard?
Yes, we do, my lord. If we can hand up the draft order, and we will later hand up a revised one along the lines your Lordship had asked for, which indicates the parties.
Thank you.
But for the sake of formality in court, we'll hand up the... If the court will just bear with me to insert the date.
Thank you. Then, as per the draft order, dated the 6th of August 2024, it is hereby ordered, having heard counsel for the private prosecutor, that the criminal proceedings are hereby postponed to the 6th of February 2025. And secondly, that the private prosecutor shall at that stage appraise the court regarding any developments in the matter.
As court pleases. If your
just
Lordship
maybe
can effect
just
in
2025. Thank you.
Yes, my lord. We'll liaise with your Lordship's registrar for the appropriate order.
Thank you. I will adjourn momentarily just to reconstitute the court for the next matter.
As court pleases.
Thank you.
And attend to your Lordship.
Court will adjourn.
You want to greet the prosecutor?
I do. I will express it.
The attorneys will, yeah, so they'll send it to you, yeah. And then you email the stamped one back to us.
Yes, I'll send you the original order and I'll upload it.
So you liaise. You got the number.